Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Let A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and C x3, y3 be the vertices of a triangle ABC. Statement 1 says if angle C is obtuse, then the quantity x3 minus x1 times x3 minus x2 plus y3 minus y1 times y3 minus y2 is negative. And statement 2 says diameter of a circle subtends obtuse angle at any point lying inside the circle, inside the semicircle. So let's take a diameter over here. This is point A, and let's take a diameter roughly like this. So this is point B. Now if we look at the diagram, we know the property that a diameter subtends a right angle at any point on the semicircle, right? This is going to be a right angle. Now if we go outside the semicircle, it's going to become an acute angle, right? Since we're going further away, the angle becomes acute. This is an acute angle. Now similarly, if we go inside the semicircle, the angle becomes more than 90 degrees. So this angle is obtuse. So we can say this statement 2 is always true, right? Since we can check from the diagram that this is always true. Now let's check statement 1 in the same regard as we have done for this. We've got this is true. Now let's check statement 1. If angle C is obtuse, then the quantity, this given quantity is going to be negative. Now in this case what we'll do, we'll take AB as the diameter. So let this point be A and this point be B. And this point is given by x1, y1. And this point is given by x2, y2. So what is the formula for a the diametric form of a circle? It's given by x minus x1 times x minus x2 plus y minus y1 times y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the diametric form of a circle. When we have the two end diametric points, we can write this as the circle's formula. Now this is the diameter, right? Now since they have given that the angle C is obtuse, from the second point we can say that the point is lying inside the circle, anywhere inside the circle, inside the semicircle, on this side or this side, right? Now since we know that it's lying inside the circle, what do we know about points lying inside a circle? When substituted in the circle equation, they're going to be less than 0. So let's substitute point C into this diametric form. We'll get x3 minus x1 times x3 minus x2 plus y3 minus y1 times y3 minus y2. So this quantity is going to be less than 0 since it's lying inside the circle. So now if we see, since this is less than 0, it implies it is negative. Now since it's negative, so we can say statement 1 is also true. And statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1 because we derived this statement from the statement 2. Right? So the answer to this question will be option A, which says statement 1 is true. And statement 2 is also true, and that statement 2 correctly explains statement 1. I hope you understood my solution. Thank you, bachcho.